Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to download Likee videos. First of all, launch open Likee application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Likee application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to download the videos, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply find the video that you would like to download. Now after you do that, if you look at right, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the share icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find the options like repost, not interested, content issues, etc. What you have to do is find this option for save and tap on it. Now wait for a while. You can see over here the video is being saved. Now after a while the video will be saved. Now what you have to do is simply open the Photos application on your device. You can see over here the video has been downloaded. So like this you'll be able to download the video. So that is how you download videos from Likee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.